So I've taken out this unit, so it's just to pull out. See the clips, so you just put your hands underneath when you pull it, just to put your hand on here, use a bit of power on each side, over there, over here with your hands, and then it snaps off. So that's good. This connector or this clip on the other side, same. Yeah, that's it so far. Then just disconnect this one. And then I was told that deep inside here, I'm not sure if you can see it behind there, all the way in is a screw, and the same, this is easy to see, needs to be taken out. So the two screws are out, and then it was actually pretty easy just to pull out the unit. So here we are, and the connectors must be taken off and it will be taken out. Good. So here we are, everything disconnected, and the harness is inside. So there will be a GPS unit. I need to find a way and a place for that. There is actually plenty of room inside. Okay. So the blue connector, there was actually a matching blue connector inside. I didn't find any instructions, but it fits directly on. And this one probably fits to this one. So maybe it's kind of plug and play this. So these clips needs to be moved over to the other one and put on each of them, like that. So there are 4 originally here, just to pry them out carefully. Plastic. Okay, so the issue I found is that this frame, it doesn't perfectly fit. You see on the side, well, not too good, but it doesn't really go in. There is this lip on the inside here. Originally on car, that is the frame on the side here, and it doesn't slide in, and that's pretty annoying. Same on the other side. When you try to put it right on one side. So here we are. What I have to do: Dremel, cut. Let me see if we can find this. Found it. Yep, this one on both sides. Inside here, there. Then I managed to squeeze it in, and now it sits more or less perfect. No, looking good.